two modded cars, two young rallycross champions, and a lot of horsepower. Our first driver is called David. He was born on March 2002, so he has 16 years of age and has won multiple rally sprint events and other karting events. Link to his Facebook page in the description. Impressive for a front-wheel drive car. Now, you might be wondering, what did they do to it? So, the car started out as a Subaru Justy, front-wheel drive, because of rally event regulations. The engine is a 1.3 liter with modified pistons and camshafts. They didn't do much to the brakes, they only added I think Brembo rotors and added a hydro e-brake that is somehow connected to the existing brake line. The interior is gutted, they have added a full roll cage, sport seat, sport steering wheel and a rally gas tank in the rear. Let's not forget about a DIY short shifter. They have also added a fiberglass body kit and plexiglass instead of windows. And the amazing thing is that David and his father built this car, and he also said that his next car will be a Peugeot 106. Our next driver in a pink BMW is actually a girl. Her name is Natalia, and in case you can't read in Romanian, she has only 14 years. on to the car specs. The car is a BMW E36 with a naturally aspirated inline 6-cylinder engine, 2.5 liters. The car is pretty much stock with the exception of the sport back box or something like that, a pod air filter, and the interior is transformed fully, including a roll cage and 2 sport seats. Oh yeah, and I asked her how did she got into racing. She told me that her older brother went to some kind of racing event, and she was only 8 years old, went to support her brother, and at only 14 years of age she became rally sprint champion, and now she started drifting. How awesome is that?
Göra!